Today's scenario presents us with a common problem that many users may encounter during a Windows installation process. Our user embarked on the journey of setting up a fresh Windows 11 Pro x64 from Microsoft's installation media on an HP laptop previously tied to a company domain. Despite formatting the USB, deleting old partitions, and creating new ones, they found themselves stuck in a loop, prompted to log into the company's Active Directory with no other options in sight. A perplexing situation indeed, leaving our user questioning if the BIOS held the key to this unexpected corporate tie-up. But fear not, for the solution to this conundrum was successfully unraveled through a series of strategic steps. First and foremost, our user reset the BIOS to its factory settings, setting the stage for a fresh start. Then, armed with an offline Windows ISO, they utilized the Rufus tool to craft a bootable USB, bypassing the Windows 11 requirement. During the setup phase, old HDD partitions were bid farewell, replaced with a new one that was promptly formatted. A crucial detail emerged: staying offline until the entire setup was completed proved to be the missing link that finally broke the chain of domain entanglement. Solution implemented. Success achieved. By following the prescribed steps with precision and a touch of tech finesse, the Windows installation was conquered, free from the shackles of unexpected corporate ties and cloud-federated domains. A valuable lesson learned in the art of offline installation and BIOS tinkering. As our user reflects on this journey, the wish for a smoother offline installation process lingers, perhaps a gentle nudge to Microsoft for future considerations. And with that, we bid adieu, hoping this tale of Windows woes and triumphs has shed light on the path for fellow users. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Your interactions fuel our tech adventures.